Hey, how you doing? Ellie from Citywide Locksmith.
Okay.
Where's the original key?
I believe it's the original one. That's the one that the dealer gave me.
All right, let's see what's going on.
Home start not going to work.
Why not?
Because of the check engine light.
All right. Damn, what an engine. All right, we're all done. Thank you for your service, sir.
Thank you, brother.
All right, go ahead, test it out. Test it in the door, test it starts, unlocks, locks.
I need another one badly because these keys break all the time.
They break all the time,
They got
yeah.
caught on the paddle shifter and it ripped it right off.
They break all the time, these keys.
Thank you, bro.
You got it.